you press the right arrow in the middle area of the profile settings or swipe your finger from right to left, you will get to the RPM section. Here you can make settings that affect the sound in relation to RPM. The settings do not affect the original RPM of your vehicle, but only simulate other RPM that are relevant for the sound of your selected sound. In the first slider, you can set the RPM of idle. The sound then turns either low at 600 RPM or higher up to about 1300 RPM. The second function, dynamic RPM, influences the sound in the higher RPMs. The sound then appears either slightly under-revved or over-revved. The third point, rough idle, simulates slight fluctuations in the idle RPM and makes the sound more realistic when stationary. The fourth point, accelerator reduction, reduces the volume when you release the throttle. In return, the sound gets louder as soon as the accelerator pedal is pushed. The last point, accelerator limit, affects the sound playback and also the volume of the sound. Many sounds react completely to the accelerator pedal or have influence on the volume. With this slider, you have the possibility to adjust the behavior better to your throttle. For example, if the value is set to 100, you would have to fully press the accelerator pedal to generate any function or volume. But if you set the value to 30, all functions and volumes are executed in the range of 0 to 30% of the accelerator pedal position. How it continues, you will learn in the next video. If you have any questions regarding this, you can always contact our support.